The Tabs for Qlik Sense extension allows you to add multiple Qlik Sense visualizations under tabs. Soon, the Tabs for Qlik Sense extension will be included as a certified extension in QlikMarket. But for now, you can download the extension from QlikBranch. Search Tabs for Qlik Sense and download the extension from GitHub. Then, import it into Qlik Sense from the QMC. After you import it, you should see the extension in your custom objects in Qlik Sense. To use the extension, drag and drop the object onto your sheet. In the Properties panel, select the number of tabs you want to add. Using the Chart drop-down menu, select the visualization you want to include under the first tab. You can also change the tab name or leave the default name. Repeat the same procedure for the other tabs. Only master visualizations are available to add under tabs. Simply right-click a visualization, select Add to Master Items, and then click Add. If we open the Tabs object again, we can see that the master visualization that we just created is now available to add under tabs. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to receive new content every week.